Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And guess where we are? Good morning everyone. It is cruise day. Our Lives Traveled is back and ready to go cruising. So, got up this morning. Got all of our stuff together, getting our bags together, get ready to leave the room shortly. And so I got a notification on the Royal Caribbean app that said it was time for me that I had the ability to complete the safety drill. I'm not even at the ship, and I haven't even checked in or boarded yet, but yet it says that I can do the safety drill. So now, you know, with the safety drill, you don't have to go to the muster station and stand in line with a whole bunch of people gathered and do that whole thing. Now it's all on your phone. So I'm gonna try this now at 10:30 in the morning, and we don't board till 12:30, and see what it does. When you first log in, see there, you click on safety, and it says that I have 5 hours to complete the safety drill. So it tells me where my muster station is. My assembly station is on W11 on the schooner bar, deck 6. And then it tells you all the steps. So you would just click step 1, which is the life jacket instructions. So you have to watch this video.
First, separate the Velcro. Then place the life jacket over your head and refasten the Velcro. Insert the strap into the buckle and pull to make sure the jacket is snug. Tuck in the end of the strap. Your life jacket is equipped with reflective tape to increase visibility, a whistle, and a water-activated light. Life jacket instructions are also on the back of your stateroom door and in our app.
That is the shortest video I've ever seen. So it shows that I confirm that the guests below selected have watched and understand the safety instructions provided in this video, and that I am 21 years of age or older. So I watched it too. Dana watched it too. So we'll select her name, and we'll select my name, and then hit confirm. So now that part still says that it's. Oh no, that part says complete. Okay, I see they have the tags up there at the top, but it looks like it's also going to be at the bottom. All right, well, whatever. So then the second step is the emergency horn. So in an emergency, the captain will sound the horn, 7 short blasts, followed by 1 long blast. Press to play. So you have to listen to the horn. That is so funny because it's just like what you would hear on the ship. That's interesting. I wonder if they're going to actually still do that on the ship while we're there. So that'll be interesting to find out. Then it says visit assembly station. So this is where we will go to W11 in the schooner bar and actually check in with them. So we can't do that part. But for the most part, we could do everything else. So that saves us some time. Then it shows here that there's an additional safety tips, so you can watch and learn more about the ship's safety, but it's not required. You just have to complete these 3 steps that you saw me go through. And then it shows down here that there's the medical facility and where it's located. I love that the whole ship map is included in here, so you can just click find deck and it'll take you right to it. And then it shows you all your do's and don'ts in case of an emergency. It shows you the kids' safety, 1, 2, 3, so you can see the stuff for the kids. And I guess it's probably a little animated video that you will watch. And then it tells you all the different things that you need to do. And that's it. And I love this because the muster drill is always the thing that Dana is like, I'm not on vacation until after we do the muster drill, and we always have to wait.
Because it's got a specific time. I don't like that.
Yeah, it's got a specific time.
I don't have to be anywhere till I feel it.
And we've had situations where our muster drill was outside in the heat, and we had to stand there for like 20, it seemed like 20, 30 minutes. And then it's a pain in the butt to get back on the elevator to get back to your room where you need to go because everybody's stampeding all at the same time. And
or back in the day, you used to have to actually walk to the lifeboat.
Oh yeah, you had to walk to the lifeboat, so you stay in one place and then they tell you to walk out to the lifeboat. Yeah, I remember that.
It feel like that.
You're right, yeah. So sometimes we got lucky though, and some of them were in a dining room or the theater or whatever we could sit down, but for the most part you're just standing out there with all these people, and then you got to make sure everybody's quiet, nobody's touching you. Just a mess. So this method right here I think is an improvement, and I hope that it's something that sticks around. So that's really interesting to know. So now we're going to just get the rest of our stuff together and head on out to the ship. We're supposed to check in at 12:30, and then we'll show you what happens from there. So happy cruise day, everybody. Here we go. It's cruise day. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic.
Okay, you need to have your pass out because you're going to need to show it to security as soon as the line goes down. There.
Okay.
It's Corey and Dana.
So if you just go options, checking all, then you won't even need to scan them because you've done it manually. So all checked in.
So in case there's an emergency, this is where you would come. And any medical issues in your room, you call 911.
Okay.
Yeah. And the infirmary, you say the infirmary, we say the medical center. It's located on deck 2 forward.
Okay.
If you're here, it's 7 short, 1 long, and you're not in your room, you just come right here. We provide a life jacket. If you're in your room, you take your life jacket and all like medicines or whatever. That's it.
Okay.
Enjoy.
So I don't need to do anything else here?
Nothing
It'll do it? Okay.
Nothing else. That's it.
All right,
That's
excellent.
how we do it now.
I love it.
Cold outside, so that's why I'm in my robe and everything. But anyway, it was very pretty, very neat way to spend taxpayer money. I'm joking. Anyway, it was neat going under the bridge. This is our 4th time on Serenade. I don't actually think I've ever truly been like up top when we've gone under the bridge. Maybe the very first time with my mom, but I really don't remember. And I still haven't made it up there. But it's still very neat to see from the side. So I did see that.
We are at dinner. First dinner on the cruise ship. We are at Giovanni's table. Yay! Very nice. Very pretty. So we're gonna have some Italian food. We ordered 3 courses. Probably only get past 1. That's why we're not really eating the bread. Gotta eat 1 piece of bread, not the whole table basket of bread like we normally do. We'll let you know how the Giovanni's table dinner is. Oh gosh. So we just left Giovanni's table, and as you can see from our eyes, we are stuffed to the gills. That was
Enough food for 8 people.
enough food for 8 people. We came to that table with all them extra plates. We told them to sit down at the table and eat with us. Because it was just too much food. Way too much food. Way too much food. But it was delicious. Absolutely delicious. Definitely recommend going to Giovanni's table for dinner. Man, that was good. Ossobuco. Never had ossobuco before. It was delicious. Pork belly. Like a well marinated piece of bacon. And the bolognese spaghetti.
I'm hot.
I'm full. Okay, good night. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.